Joe. Well, let me tell you what I know. I know that the front window above the cab is leaking water. That's what I know. So we're going to have to figure out how we're going to fix that. So with past experience, I've had marker lights on top of cabs, brake lights in the back of a cab of a pickup truck. They leaked water. So first, we're going to get to the top of this RV. And then we're going to look at those marker lights and see if any of that caulking around there is rotten, falling off. And then we'll apply some fresh caulk. So that's where we're going to go. Let's get some equipment together and start this project. So before we get started, I'll take you over to that window and I'll show you. There might still be some water in that windowsill. Let's see what I'm working with here. I don't know if you can see some of this damage. And where's my hand at? There it is. Okay. But we're going to check those marker lights out first, and then we'll look around the window. So come on, let's get this done. Anything down there, it's getting hard to see under this cushion. It's getting kind of nasty under there, so we've got to get this fixed. Otherwise I'm going to have a lot of rotten wood to repair.